So do you want to see some of my top logo design work from 2020? Then stay tuned and see it in this video. So 2020 was a great year for me. I had so much more work coming and a lot more work than 2019, because in 2018 to 2019 I was actually working part-time and working on my business on the side, doing freelancing and stuff like that. But when I finished up at the end of 2019, 2020 I decided I'm gonna push for more client work. So a few of the things I actually did was revamp my Behance profile and add some of the case studies and portfolio pieces to that. Revamped my website, so fix up. I had jeremymura.com, but then I wanted to have just a client-based landing page and website. So I did muradesignco.com and really put my case studies on there, portfolio, made it really clean, really simple, and overall I really love the result. And I got around 16 clients in total for the year. But the projects weren't always the same. So majority of the time it was like logo designs and some identity projects. And then the rest were more Instagram content, like doing carousel designs, which are really, really fun to do. And then also doing some websites as part of a logo package as well for a few clients. So a lot of different businesses, mostly like solopreneurs, and also like small businesses as well, both globally. So the US, Australia, which is local for me, but overall it was really, really awesome. So I'm gonna show you my top 3 projects. Number 1 is Lizelle Torres. This was a cool, fun project. She is a vocal coach, so in the music industry, and teaches how to use vocals and how to sing well. And yeah, it was a lot of fun. Got to create a cool logo for her. Really went for a different combination mark. Tried to make it really simple, because I always try and do my logos always simple. So that was really fun to do. Using a bright color palette, using texture, and just keeping it interesting and energizing and making it appeal to young people. So that was really, really fun to do. You can check all my projects and this one on Behance if you want to check it out, or on my website. The links will be in the description. The second one was Help to Love. So this came sort of at the end of the year. It was actually for a non-for-profit type of organization, but it was just a guy from New York. He loves helping people in the Dominican Republic, and he wanted a logo that was going to stand out and help him look more professional. But at the end of the day, it was more to give him a boost and a proactive kick to start doing his activities and programs to help kids. And they ship like pencils and bags and school stuff to help young, less fortunate people in those type of countries. So they can learn and grow as well as people do when they're learning and students. So that was a fun one, and it's always good to design for a good cause. And then number 3 was Macquarie Business School. So one of my friends that is a videographer, he sends me some work sometimes. So if he gets a client that he's worked with before, he'll try and refer them. And that was really cool. We got to do a social media campaign. So I got to do some banners, some poster designs, work on a little bit of a logo, some brand guidelines. It was just a lot of fun to work on that. And it was pretty much for a alumni network, where they introduced this new program called Flash Mentoring, where the students get mentoring with alumni or teachers and things like that. And the network has over 90,000 students, so I was really shocked to hear there was so many people there. But it was for one of the biggest universities in Australia, Macquarie University. You can look it up. But that was a lot of fun working on that. And yeah, had to be very professional, had to deliver on a quick timeline, but overall I enjoyed it. Just experimenting and just playing around with something different, something outside the box. But that was awesome. So that's my top 3 projects from last year, and I'll put it on the screen, a couple of the other logos that you can see as well. But overall, it was a great year for client work. And this year, we'll see what's going to happen in terms of client work, because I'll probably be slowing that down. I'm actually going to be introducing a membership called Mura Academy, which is coming up very, very soon. So stay tuned for that. But I'm going to be working on new products, new courses, and new content as well. So stay tuned. I'm super excited. Leave a comment below on your favorite logo or brand project that I did and showed you. Let me know if it was cool. Let me know if it was boring or needs improvement. I love getting feedback. I love hearing your perspective, because everyone has an opinion, right? So thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video, and I'll talk to you soon.